Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys sound and vibration setting in your Samsung phone device. In this video guys, I will show you guys lock screen sound guys. How can you off it in your Samsung phone? And guys, what is lock screen sound guys? Let me tell you first of all. So guys, you can see guys your Samsung phone guys when you lock your phone guys, like when we off it. So guys, you can see this sound. So guys, when you off your screen, so guys you can see this sound, and when you open it, so guys you can see this small sound. So guys, you want to off this lock screen sound in your Samsung phone, so guys you can off it. And guys, now let's see how to off lock screen sound in our Samsung phone. In this video guys, I am going to show you friends. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to guys off this lock screen sound. Then guys, you can see this type of settings. So guys, what will you have to do guys? You can see guys your sound and vibration settings. So guys, tap here and guys scroll it. Guys, you can see your system sound and vibration control setting. So guys, then click here. After that guys, you can see guys the second option guys, this screen lock and unlock setting. So guys, you want to off this your screen lock sound, so guys you can off from here. So guys, now you can see the sound will not work in your Samsung phone when you will on, and guys when you will off your phone, this sound will not work in your Samsung phone. So are you friends who have understood how to off screen lock sound in our Samsung phone? So that's it guys. Thanks for watching. Guys, now we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.